So here's the setup. You gotta excuse the mess, but I've been working on this thing and it's never done. But this is a vacuum line. These guys here, you got the blue things are the cooling lines for this, running water. Runs water through here. This is the spindle where the bit spins. Oops, hold on. The light's falling off. Okay, never mind, hold on. Okay, so here's the spindle. This orange line is air. So I can have air come out this nozzle right here. Right here. This is the motor on top. That's the coupling to the motor that makes it spin up and down. This is the motor on the side. It makes it go back and forth. And then there's two motors in the back. This one here and one at the far end. And they run the whole thing forward and backward. Underneath, this is the control box. This has the power supply and relays and motor controllers and stuff like that. And there's the PC over there. And the box in the back with the red lights is for the spindle. It runs on 220 volts. And a bunch of boxes of crap. The rides on these rails. It's back and forth on those rails. And these rails on top the same way. And then these black things here is where the wires run through. The wires come out over the top. Same thing here. The wires come through from the box downstairs. Comes up through this channel. This way when it moves back and forth, the cable rides back and forth with it. Stays all together. It doesn't get tangled up. Same thing over here. So this guy rides back and forth. The cable doesn't get tangled up. Now I screwed all these things in to hold it in place so they wouldn't move around while the bit is cutting on it. Just working on the next piece now. Problem at all making deep cuts in the software. I can run it a lot faster. I'm not done.